Hello everyone. So today we're gonna learn about spread summary. In Cloud Analogy, we have a team of a Salesforce expert who have completed nearly about 100 projects. We have 25 plus certified resources. Now I'm going to present the spread summary based which we built for our client. As you can see, there is an account object in Salesforce. The spread summary based which we open when we click on the spread summary button on the account. It will open a new window. As you can see, we are a spread summary based. Here is the detailed account name, line of coverage name, and the plan option field value. Account name and line of coverage are the clickable fields. When we click on the line of coverage, then it will navigate us automatically to the Salesforce detail page. Line of coverage and the plan option both are the system objects. These are the fields and it is a currency field. And these are the accounting names. At the bottom, these are the calculations. The total sum of the column will be the total annual premium row. Now, this is a difference between the total annual premium to the current annual value. The value which are negative will come in the red font and the value which are positive will come in the black font. So first of all, I would like to show you the column configuration part. As you can see, here are the multiple columns, about 10 columns, and as a user, you want to remove 4 columns from the spread summary based, then you can easily remove these columns. On click of the end column configuration, if I want to remove the last 4 columns, then I will be click on the add column configuration and I will deselect all the 4 columns from the bottom, and these are the selected column shows in the spread summary based. Then we click on the submit button which will navigate us to the spread summary based. Now you can see here is the 6th column. And the last column have been deleted from the spread summary as per our need. We can also add columns again if we need to add column, delete column. We can do anything in the column to click on the add column configuration. If we want to add option 6 or if we want to add option 6 after option 1, then we also customize this. Now you can see option 1 is after option 6 and also add option 6 in the spread summary page. Then I would like to tell you about the data configuration. So first of all, before the data configuration, I would like to tell you both the configuration, column configuration and data configuration are the regarding the account. So the each and every account has its own kind of configuration. Once the configuration has been done, then it will be saved in the custom setting. Again, when you open the same account, then it will show you the same configuration that you have saved in the last. Again and again, it will show you unless you are going to change it. Now, I will be talking about the data configuration. What is data configuration? Suppose I would like to show the current data in the option 1 column and in the current column. I want to add option 1 data regarding the line of coverage and regarding the vision line of coverage. I would like to show in the column 6. I would like to add current column data, and we can customize it as per a view so that I can customize. I can configure any column as per a need so that I will add current data. In option 6, I will add the current data, and in the current I will be add the option 1 data, and also in option 1 will add the current data. It will happen when you click on the add data configuration only. It will open a new page regarding the LOC. You can update any column data from here. If I want to update current data, current column data, then we have to select current in the current column, and in the option 1 we will select current data, and in the option 6 we will select option 1 and also option 2. We will select as a option 6. Same, we can customize any column from here, and we will click on the submit button. It will navigate us to the spread summary page, and the data we customize here will enter, and here in the spread summary base. It is also regarding the account. In the current column, you can see the current data, and in the option 1 you can also see current data, and in the option 6 we have selected the option 6 data, and option 2 we have selected the option 6 data regarding the dental line. So, because each account has a different configuration, as you can see there are the 6 columns regarding this account. Now I would like to show you some different accounts which do not have the same configuration. So we have to go to the Salesforce. We will open the another account and will click the spread summary button. It's the same account. This is class account which have different configuration. At the bottom, you can see different calculations regarding the column. Here you can see 3 columns, and in the another account, in the job account, you can see 6 columns. The configuration is regarding the account. data configuration and column configuration. And I would like to show you another account record that does not have any line of coverage and plan option. So this account doesn't have any line of coverage and plan option. Then we will click on the split summary, which will simply open the pop-up message. Here you can see a pop-up message, and also you will find an option to country date here. If there we will be record and the configuration part happens, as it will show you no record found message. So this is all for our video. If you liked our video, please do a like on it and subscribe it and share it. Thank you so much.